Ever wondered how long it takes for Kraken to verify your address? You're not alone. Getting your account fully verified is crucial for accessing all of Kraken's features and maximizing your trading potential. But how long does the process actually take? Let's dive in and find out. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly understand why address verification is so important. Security: verifying your address is a key step in enhancing the security of your Kraken account. It helps prevent fraud and ensures that only the rightful account owner can access the funds. Compliance: Kraken, like all reputable cryptocurrency exchanges, operates under strict regulatory guidelines. Address verification is mandatory to comply with anti-money laundering (AML) and Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations. Increased limits: once your address is verified, you can typically access higher withdrawal limits and enjoy a smoother trading experience. Factors influencing verification time. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How long does address verification actually take? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The time it takes can vary significantly depending on several factors. The type of proof, the type of document you submit for address verification plays a crucial role. Utility bills, recent utility bills, electricity, water, gas, are generally accepted and can often be verified quickly. Bank statements are another common option, but processing times can vary depending on the bank and the clarity of the information. Government-issued documents like driver's licenses or passports may sometimes be accepted, but they might require additional scrutiny. Document clarity: the quality and clarity of the document you submit are paramount. Ensure that the document is legible, contains all the required information, your full name, address, and date, and is not expired. Document authenticity: Kraken conducts thorough checks to ensure the authenticity of the documents you provide. If they suspect any discrepancies, the verification process may take longer. Document submission method: how you submit your documents can also impact the processing time. Online submissions are generally faster than postal submissions. Kraken's current workload: the overall volume of verification requests received by Kraken can also influence processing times. During periods of high demand, it may take longer for your documents to be reviewed. General timeframes. While exact timeframes can vary, here's a general idea of what you can expect. Quick verifications: in some cases, address verification can be completed within a few hours or even minutes, especially if you submit clear utility bills and Kraken's workload is low. Average verifications: most address verifications are typically completed within 1 to 3 business days. Longer verifications: in some instances, the verification process may take longer than expected. This could be due to issues with the submitted documents, increased workload at Kraken, or the need for further review. Here are some tips to help you expedite the address verification process. Prepare your documents in advance. Ensure you have clear, legible copies of your chosen documents ready for submission. Submit all required information accurately. Double-check all the information you entered during the verification process to avoid delays. Submit documents electronically. Online submissions are generally faster than postal submissions. Contact Kraken support if you have any questions. If you encounter any issues or have questions about the verification process, don't hesitate to contact Kraken's support team. What to do if verification takes too long? If you feel that your address verification is taking an unusually long time, you can try the following. Check your Kraken account. Log into your Kraken account and check the status of your verification request. Review your submission. Make sure you submitted all the required documents correctly and that they meet Kraken's requirements. Contact Kraken support. If you're still experiencing delays, reach out to Kraken's support team via email or live chat. They can investigate the issue and provide assistance. Address verification is an essential step in the Kraken account setup process. While the exact timeframes can vary, by following the tips outlined in this video, you can streamline the process and minimize any potential delays. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.